Hi, Bob the Canadian here. It's been a long day for me and I'm kind of tired. So I thought in this video I would help you learn 10 different English phrases to describe when you're feeling tired. Hi, Bob the Canadian here. Welcome to this video. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Leave a comment, and at some point during the video, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these English lessons that I'm giving to you. So, you're tired and you want to be able to describe it. In this video, I'll look at 10 different ways to say that you're tired in English. And I'm actually kind of tired as I'm making this video, so there's a good chance I'll probably mess things up a little bit, but let's go through them. Number one, you can simply say, I'm tired. I'm very tired. It's been a long day and I'm really, really tired. All of those would be great ways to let someone know that you're tired. Another way to say that you're tired is to say, I'm worn out. So if you think about a machine, when a machine runs for a long time, it gets worn out. In English, you can describe yourself as being worn out. It's been a long day. I'm worn out. I can't wait to go home. I'm worn out. A third way to say that you're tired is to say, I'm pooped. This sounds kind of funny because I'm not sure if you know yet what poop is. When you eat food, eventually you have to poop. But we do in English, when we're describing being tired, say, I'm pooped. I'm totally pooped right now because I worked so hard today, I'm now totally pooped. Or I'm pooped out. Both of those would also be ways to describe being tired. And I'm not joking, we do actually say that in English. I'm pooped. Another way to say that you're tired in English is to simply say, I'm sleepy. There's a bit of a difference here though. When I say I'm tired, it doesn't necessarily mean that I want to go to sleep. But when I say I'm sleepy, it usually means I'm having trouble keeping my eyes open. Maybe my head is nodding a little bit when I'm supposed to stay awake. So to say that you're tired, you can also say, I'm sleepy. Another way to say that you're tired in English is to say, I'm whipped. I'm just completely whipped. And I had a really long day today. I worked super hard and I'm just whipped. I'm whipped. I'm tired. Another way to say that you're tired in English, and this one you don't hear as much anymore, but you should still know it because you might read it in a book, is to say, I'm tuckered out, or I'm just tuckered out. It's kind of an older saying, but you will see this if you read occasionally. You'll see someone say, well, I've ridden the horse all day and I'm just tuckered out. Again, meaning that you're really, really tired. Another way to say that you're tired in English is to describe yourself as if you're a car and to say, I'm out of gas. I'm just out of gas today, or I just don't have any more gas in the tank. And that would be a way, like if, let's say your brother said, hey, come over and help me move some stuff in my backyard today. You could say, look, I am just out of gas. I am so tired. I just need to stay home and rest. The gas tank's empty, bro. Not gonna be able to help you today. Another way to describe being tired is to just say that you're run down. If you say to someone, I'm run down, it doesn't mean that someone's run you over. It means that you're just feeling exhausted. So you would say, I'm just feeling run down today. Maybe it was a day where you were on your feet all day. Maybe normally you work in an office where you sit, but maybe you're feeling run down because you worked really, really hard all day and you were on your feet all day. Another way, and I kind of hinted at this just a few seconds ago, is to say, I'm exhausted. When you're exhausted, it means you've used up all of your energy for the day. It's the end of the day and now you're feeling exhausted. You have no energy left and you would say, I'm exhausted. And lastly, we have a saying, I'm ready to call it a day. Right now, I've just finished work. I'm really, really tired. Tomorrow, I actually have a kind of a busy day, and I'm not really looking forward to it. I don't have a lot of energy left, so I'm ready to call it a day. So if you say, I'm ready to call it a day, Bob, it means that you're done everything that you need to do for that day, and you're ready to just pack it in, relax on the couch, go to bed on time. Bob the Canadian here. That was 10 ways to say that you're tired in English. Believe it or not, the list is even larger. There are numerous ways in English to say that you are tired, but I hope these 10 will help you, either phrases for you to use when you speak English, or maybe just to be able to recognize them if you were to read a book. Bob the Canadian here, Learn English with Bob the Canadian. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe below. Anything that you want to do would be great, and I just hope that you have a great day.